Okay, so what we going to discuss about and health. So we discussed lots of things about the health. Okay, so one of the thing which was we discussed about the employment, digital employment, Ayushman Bharat. Okay, Ayushman Bharat, and 2% will be the fertility rate that we discussed about the fertility rate. It should be 2%. Okay, so हमने क्या क्या डिस्कस किया था कि फर्टिलिटी रेट शुड बी द 2%. और हमने डिस्कस किया था कि कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव प्रिवलेंस मतलब कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स को यूज में लेना है एंड दैट प्रिवलेंस हो गई है अभी 67%. एंटी नेटल केयर जो थी, सो एंटी नेटल केयर दैट इज अबाउट 70%. फुल इम्यूनाइजेशन, सो इम्यूनाइजेशन करने की बात की गई थी, दैट वॉज 76% हो गई. और सेक्स रेशियो जो था 1020 हो चुका है. नियोनेटल मॉर्टिलिटी जो है कम हो गई है. नियोनेटल की मॉर्टिलिटी 24% है. इन्फेंट मॉर्टिलिटी 35% है. अंडर 5 मॉर्टिलिटी 41% है. ठीक है. एनीमिया की प्रॉब्लम को 57 से 67% तक कम कर दिया गया है. एंड इंस्टीट्यूशनल बर्थ को 88% तक बढ़ा दिया गया है. एंड चिल्ड्रन अंडर द 5 जो हैं स्टंटेड जो हैं, सो स्टंटेड चिल्ड्रन आर 35%, वास्टेड चिल्ड्रन आर 19% एंड अंडर वेट जो है 32% जो है वो अंडर वेट के अंदर आते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ यूनिवर्सल हेल्थ कवरेज को हमने बढ़ावा दिया है. सो यूनिवर्सल हेल्थ कवरेज में आयुष्मान भारत, आयुष्मान डिजिटल इंडिया मिशन, नेशनल हेल्थ पॉलिसी 2017 and intensified mission Indradhanush that we covered the zero dose children age 0 to 5, intensified children for the mission Indradhanush. इसके अलावा आंगनवाड़ी सिस्टम, सो आंगनवाड़ी सिस्टम, Anganwadi system. So we started the Anganwadi system. Social model for the Divyangjan. So दिव्यांगजन के लिए क्या बनाया गया है? सोशल मॉडल. सो सोशल मॉडल फॉर द दिव्यांगजन, आंगनवाड़ी प्रोटोकॉल फॉर द दिव्यांग अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट. Okay, now next is the ASHA and ANM. ASHA and ANM for the राष्ट्रीय बाल स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम, National Curriculum Framework for the 2022. So that was the National Curriculum and Framework. National Curriculum Framework. Okay. So nutrition दिए जाएंगे, nutrition, immunization and preschool education, health checkups, referral services also provided. Improve the nutritional health of the 0 to 6 year, reduce the incident of mortality, morbidity. Saksham Anganwadi, this is new scheme, Saksham Anganwadi, and that was treated improving the Saksham Anganwadi that was 14 to 18 year of the age of the adolescent, and that was 0 to 3 for the early childhood care, and that is for the 0 to 3. and Saksham Anganwadi that was adolescent girls जितनी भी हैं, adolescent girls, and that was 14 to 18 year, and audio video tools and water purifier will be there. Now next one is 4500 पर मंथ के लिए फिक्स कर दिया गया है आशा वर्कर्स के लिए, और 500 पर मंथ पोषण अभियान के तहत लिंक किया गया है परफॉर्मेंस में. सो पोषण अभियान इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू द हेल्थ. सक्षम आंगनवाड़ी टारगेटेड इंटरवेंशन फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द rejuvenation of the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the Anganwadi. Adolescent girls 14 to 18 and early childhood 0 to 3. Now next is insurance coverage will be providing under the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti. So Jeevan Jyoti scheme. Next is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima scheme. Next is the कार्यकर्त्री बीमा स्कीम. अदर बेनिफिट्स होते हैं, यूनिफॉर्म इंसेंटिव भी प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे. सो नेशनल न्यूट्रिशन मिशन दैट इज द पोषण अभियान. पोषण इज ऑल्सो द न्यूट्रिशन मिशन and that is 2017 monitor supervise the nutrition related intervention. So Poshan Abhiyan was reduce the stunting and holistic development of the nutrition. Okay. So Poshan Abhiyan was provided for the. So what are the important initiative taken for the Poshan Abhiyan? So this is important initiative which is taken for the Poshan Abhiyan is provided here. First is social audit. So Poshan Abhiyan, in that there is the social audit. Social audit. First is social audit. Second is target, incentivizing the targets and incentivizing the IT based tool. IT based tool, हाइट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन को मेजर किया जाएगा, वेट को भी मेजर किया जाएगा, हाइट एंड वेट मेजरमेंट. न्यूट्रिशन रिसोर्सेस, न्यूट्रिशन के कितने रिसोर्सेस टेकअप किए जा रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर. नेक्स्ट इज रियल टाइम मॉनिटरिंग. रियल टाइम मॉनिटरिंग, रियल टाइम मॉनिटरिंग, मैपिंग एंड रोबस्ट कवरेज ऑफ मैकेनिज्म. सो कम्युनिटी हेल्थ वर्कर्स भी होंगे इसमें. कम्युनिटी हेल्थ वर्कर. ओके. सो कम्युनिटी हेल्थ वर्कर जैसे कि नेशनल रूरल हेल्थ फैमिली मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर, इसमें है आशा. आशा इज द accredited social health activist and auxiliary nurse midwife, ANM. ANM and ASHA, they both are working for the community health. ICDS, Integrated Child Development Scheme, and Ministry of Women and Child Development, both are working for the village level and the center level. Next is promotion of the child health and family adolescent and मंथली इंसेंटिव दिए जाएंगे 2000 पर मंथ. 2000 पर मंथ टू द आशा को मंथली इंसेंटिव दिए जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वाटर सैनिटेशन एंड हाइजीन वॉश प्रोग्राम. वॉश प्रोग्राम इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड अंडर द sanitation and health. So wash program is what? WASH. Wash is water, then sanitation, and then will be the hygiene. Water sanitation and the hygiene, and this is under the WHO. Burden of the disease for the safe, like disease के burden को क्या करना है, हमको कम करना है, and we are going for the safe water plus sanitation and hygiene. Okay. So it is wash program is assess the drinking water and the level of the hygiene. So sustainable development goal of the 6, this is clean water and sanitation. Clean water plus sanitation. So that is sustainable development goal 6 working for this. And UNICEF is also working. So we want to prevent 2.5% of the all deaths and 2.9% of the disability from globally. So हमें क्या करना है, 2.5% डेथ को रिड्यूस करना है एंड 2.9% ऑफ द डिसेबिलिटी को भी रिड्यूस करना है. इसके लिए ट्रिपल थ्रेट रिपोर्ट है. किसकी? यूनिसेफ की रिपोर्ट है. नेम इज ट्रिपल थ्रेट रिपोर्ट. So this triple threat report is providing us the triple burden of the water, sanitation and the hygiene. So less than 50% access to at least basic water. मतलब 50% access होना चाहिए हमारे पास. That is the basic water. We need a basic water about the less than 50%. 20 countries हैं जिसमें वाश प्रोग्राम को लाया गया है. 25% of the countries में higher risk है. 25 countries में higher risk है environment का. Environment hazard is also a very big problem for the 25 countries, and the 50% of the at least basic water होना चाहिए. 20 countries at least unsafe wash should not be there. So India, what is the India's initiative for the wash program? So see, there is a sustainable development goal 6 and the UNICEF as well as the wash program of the WHO. All of three are working to reduce the barriers in the health. So first one is India का initiative in wash. Initiative initiative of the India in the WASH program. In the WASH program, so first is the water related quality management. So first is the quality management of the water. Next is Jal Jeevan Mission, Jeevan Mission and Namami Gange program. Namami Gange, Jal Jeevan, Namami Gange and the quality system. Next one is sanitation. Sanitation में क्या है? स्वच्छ भारत मिशन ग्रामीण, स्वच्छ भारत मिशन ग्रामीण, स्वच्छ भारत मिशन अर्बन. So this is for the sanitation. Next is hygiene. So hygiene के लिए इंडिया ने क्या किया है? For promotion of the menstrual hygiene. Next is rural urban related में वाश program अटल मिशन for the अमृत. So Atal mission for the rejuvenation of the urban and WASH strategy for 2018 to 25. Okay, and there is the UNICEF. UNICEF is also working for 2016 to 2030, and UN sanitation and hygiene. UN sanitation and hygiene. UN sanitation and the hygiene, and sanitation and water for all. So there is a water for all. So this is UNICEF and civil society both are working to providing the water for all, and sustainable development goal 6 is also important in this whole program. So India is doing very good in WASH program. We are approaching with the sustainable development goals, with the Swachh Bharat mission, with the water quality management and rural WASH Atal Innovation Mission, and hygiene fund is also established, sanitation and the water for all, and 2030 UNICEF strategy for the sustainable goal of 6. So sustainable goal of 6 2030. Next is nutrition and sanitation. Nutrition and sanitation. In this global hunger index. So global hunger index. So this hunger index was released for the World Hunger Hilfe. World Hunger and Hilfe. It is a NGO. So Global Hunger Index is from the World Hunger NGO, that is Ireland and Germany. Ireland and Germany both are working here. So little progress is there. Now we are going for after COVID-19, Russia, Ukraine war, climate change, lots of issues are there. That's why South Asia and the Africa Sahara area is facing highest hunger level. So issue is the Ukraine war and the COVID issue. Two issues are there. That's why we are facing the higher hunger issue. So there is a India is a rank 111 among the serious on the hunger scale. So India rank in the hunger scale is 1, 1 and 1, and slight improvement in the India's hunger score, that was 29% of the Indian people are under hunger condition. Undernourishment जो है 16% है, stunting is 35%, fasting is about 19%, and child mortality जो है mortality is about the 3.1%. And other issues are also there like undernourishment. ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स को हमें क्या क्या मेजर टेकन करने हैं. सो ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स में बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम है. एक्सट्रीमली अलार्मिंग कंडीशन से serious condition, moderate condition and low condition. Okay, so there's the index for the 100 point of the scale. There's the index. First is undernourishment 1/3. Child stunting is 1/6. Next is fasting is 1/6. Next is the mortality is 1/3, and there is a national level measure are also taken. Next is open defecation free. Next one is open defecation free. Open defecation free status. Open defecation free status. So 75% of the villages achieve the ODF plus. 75% of the villages of the India, they adopted the ODF plus under the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. Under the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. ODF का मतलब क्या है? Not single person is found defecating in the open. So no defecation in open. That is the ODF. And ODF plus, that means ODF when all community and the public toilets are function. So there is a public toilet. Public toilets are also functioning with the ODF. No open defecation of the single person. Next is ODF plus and plus. That means declare the ODF plus. First it will declare the ODF plus with safety managed by sewage safety is also there. So sewage safety is also providing. Here is the public toilet and here is the sewage safety. Okay, and fecal sludge So these things are given, sewage safety and the fecal sludge. So now there is a community based intervention ODF plus village, which is the solid or liquid waste management system will be provided in the ODF plus. So ODF plus means solid and liquid waste management, and ODF arrangement also provided minimum litter, minimum stagnant wastewater, no plastic waste. ODF plus is information, education and the communication. Okay, so this is all about the ODF plus status. So next will be the United Nations Population Fund. So some organizations are there. So this was the health. I discussed about the health, and in next chapter I am going to discuss about the National Population Fund. Okay, so stay tuned and must watch daily my new lectures.